Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing something really cool on the car. It's going to make the car stand out more than what it does normally, and I can't wait to show you. It's going to be in the front of the car. You'll see in a minute. Okay guys, here's what's going on. I didn't finish recording the whole installation thing because it turned out to be a pain in the ass. The quality of the product looks like flawless, but I mean the fenders, like anything Anderson Composite related thing, but the fitment was really bad, and it took me too long to install the fenders. Right now that they are in the car, they are, you know, squared away. They're the fitment is terrible, but yeah, that's why you're not gonna see me doing the whole installation, because it took me so long that that the GoPro ran out of battery, and I was so frustrated getting it fit that I forgot to keep recording after that, and I was concentrating on doing the installation and not the video. So I'm gonna show you how it's looking after the install, but I'm being honest, it's a pain in the ass to do. Fitment is not perfect, which is rare for Anderson Composite parts. I never had a problem with them. All the parts that I have, the fitment is basically perfect. So I don't know what happened with the fenders, but yeah, I'm gonna show you the final results. So yeah, this was the install. It was not easy. It was really complicated, more than I thought. But the end result is really good. It looks really cool, really good. The lines align and everything. So I'm gonna be installing some carbon fiber fins that comes with it, but I still have to look for the right double side tape to use, because that's the only way to do it. But for now it's gonna stay without the fins. But yeah, it's not something that you can do in a couple hours. It's basically impossible. It took me around, in hours, it's like 10 to 12 hours easy. So yeah, it's not an easy job to do, but the end result is pretty good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I see you on the next video. Bye.